Welcome to our exploration of social identity theory. This theory delves into the ways individuals derive their sense of belonging and self esteem from the brands they associate with. In this video, we will define social identity theory and discuss its significant impact on consumer behavior. You will discover how brands shape social identities and influence purchasing decisions. We'll begin by understanding the essence of social identity theory and its relevance in today's market dynamics. This theory is a powerful tool for marketers, brand managers, and business students to engage consumers on a deeper level. Our goal is to provide a comprehensive overview and actionable insights into how social identity theory intertwines with brand identity to create strong emotional connections with consumers. Buckle up as we lay a foundational understanding that will set the stage for everything to follow. You'll see how this theory developed historically and evolved to its current applications. Join us as we dive into the fascinating world of social identity theory and brand identity. In the early 1970s, Henry Tajfel introduced a groundbreaking concept that would change our understanding of group dynamics and intergroup relations: social identity theory. Tajfel's pioneering work, along with contributions from key researchers like John Turner, laid the groundwork for this theory. Their studies revealed how individuals identify with particular groups, creating a sense of belonging and community. Initially, social identity theory was applied to understand intergroup conflicts and prejudices, observing how and why people align with certain groups. These foundational ideas paved the way for today's in-depth analysis of consumer behavior, providing insights into group dynamics and social identity formation. As we move forward, you'll see the significant strides made in the evolution of social identity theory and its integration into modern consumer behavior studies. Over the decades, social identity theory has evolved, continuously adapting and expanding its scope. Today, it offers insights into consumer behavior, helping us understand how individuals derive a sense of belonging from the brands they choose. The theory has integrated with others, broadening its applications and decoding the forces that drive consumer loyalty and brand preference. Reflecting societal changes, the theory provides a clearer lens to view consumer behavior. Concepts introduced by Henry Tajfel have grown to shape modern marketing strategies. As we move into the future, the ongoing evolution of social identity theory promises intriguing applications and insights. Next, we'll delve into the intricacies of brand identity, exploring how companies create compelling images and narratives that resonate with consumers. Now that we've traced the evolution of social identity theory, let's delve into brand identity. Brand identity encompasses all elements a company creates to portray the right image to its consumers, including logos, color schemes, and the tone of voice used in marketing materials. Components of brand identity include visual elements like logos, color palettes, and typography, as well as intangible aspects such as company values, mission, and personality. Understanding brand identity is crucial as it helps establish a unique market presence, differentiate a company from its competitors, and foster trust and loyalty among consumers. As we move forward, you'll see how brand identity has transformed over time and how current trends and successful examples shape today's market. Let's explore how companies leverage these elements to create powerful connections with their audiences. From ancient heraldic symbols to iconic trademarks, brand identity has always been crucial in distinguishing products and fostering loyalty. Simple logos and emblems once signified origin and quality. As markets grew, brand identities evolved, becoming multifaceted representations of a company's values, mission, and promise to consumers. This evolution was spurred by increasing consumer expectations. Brands adapted by developing sophisticated visual elements, narratives, and emotional hooks. These elements converged into what we now recognize as brand ecosystems, a complex interplay of logos, slogans, and brand experiences tailored to engage audiences on multiple levels. Understanding the historical progression of brand identity enriches our comprehension of its current dynamics and significance. As we move forward, you'll see how modern brands leverage these historical insights to craft identities that connect deeply with today's savvy consumers. Today, brand identity is more important than ever. with companies investing heavily in creating a strong, cohesive image. Let's explore the current trends shaping brand identity in the modern era. Successful brand identities, from the minimalist aesthetics of tech giants to the bold designs of consumer goods, share one common goal: connecting with their audience emotionally. Brands like Apple and Nike have mastered storytelling, embedding core values into every interaction, resulting in loyal consumer bases that deeply identify with their brands. Today's discerning consumers seek authenticity and alignment with their personal values, compelling companies to be more transparent, consistent, and relatable. As we delve deeper, we'll see how these contemporary approaches influence consumer perceptions and drive engagement. Stay with us as we compare modern identities with their historical counterparts to uncover evolutionary strategies in branding. By comparing past and present brand identities, we can observe significant shifts in strategies and consumer engagement. Historically, brand identity focused on simple logos and slogans to establish recognition and trust. Today, brand identity involves a multifaceted strategy, including storytelling, emotional connections, and a strong online presence. Consumers now seek brands that align with their personal values and lifestyle, driving interactive relationships. These shifts challenge businesses to innovate continuously, integrating social media and digital platforms to stay relevant. The enduring importance of authenticity, adaptability, and emotional resonance are key lessons from these comparisons. As we move forward, you'll see how successful brands apply these principles, setting new industry benchmarks. Let's look at some successful brand identities and understand how they influence consumer behavior. We start with Apple, a company that has mastered creating a strong brand identity. Apple's focus on innovation, simplicity, and exclusivity has cultivated a loyal customer base that sees themselves as part of a forward-thinking community. Similarly, Nike, synonymous with empowerment and athletic excellence, inspires consumers with memorable slogans, iconic logos, and athlete endorsements. Both Apple and Nike tap into the emotions and aspirations of their audiences, leading to profound consumer loyalty. By examining these case studies, we can extract invaluable insights on the power of brand identity in shaping consumer perceptions. These examples highlight the importance of consistency, emotional connection, and aligning brand values with those of consumers. As we move forward, you'll see how these principles apply to other brands, emphasizing the critical role of brand identity. As we delve into the bond between social identity and brand loyalty, we uncover how consumers form deep emotional ties with brands. Social identity, the sense of belonging to a particular social group, crucially influences brand loyalty. Consider the fan base of a beloved tech giant or renowned shoe company. These brand communities thrive on shared values and mutual recognition, fostering a strong sense of togetherness. Such connections translate into unwavering loyalty as individuals find pieces of their identities within these brands. The long-term success of these brands isn't just due to innovative products, it's deeply rooted in loyal, emotionally invested communities. Understanding this interplay allows marketers to strategically cultivate lasting consumer relationships, ensuring sustained brand loyalty. Moving forward, you'll gain deeper insights into how these principles solidify the foundation of successful brand identities. As we conclude, let's revisit the crucial points we've explored. Social identity theory and brand identity play significant roles in shaping consumer behavior. We've seen how these concepts have evolved and their impact on marketing strategies. Understanding social identity theory helps us recognize how consumers derive a sense of belonging and self-esteem from the brands they align with. This connection is fostered through carefully crafted brand identities that resonate deeply with their audience. We've traced the historical development of both theories, examined contemporary trends, and analyzed successful case studies. Each step reinforced the importance of creating a brand identity that attracts and retains loyal consumers. In summary, strong brand identities are built on understanding social identity, creating lasting connections that drive loyalty and foster a sense of community. For marketers, brand managers, and business students, these insights shape effective branding strategies. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. We hope you leave with a deeper understanding and practical insights for your future branding endeavors. Stay engaged and strive for excellence in brand identity efforts.